Hello guys, it's LBTV here. We're gonna do, this is called the hill challenge. Yeah, we're gonna run up the hill like different animals. I'll go first. I'll go and make sure if you make sure to subscribe to Laser Beam.
Yeah. And also,
favorite YouTuber.
Ryan's got the big coat and the boots, so he's pretty good.
What are these? I do not freaking know. Do not ask. So I'm gonna go up there like a kangaroo.
Subscribe to Once a Panini TV, our channel. We're gonna be making a lot of videos with Ryan because we live pretty close to him, and we've been helping him with his channel.
Show him. Your guys' house.
There's our house over there.
Not the yellow one.
The brown one that you guys have seen in other videos.
Seriously?
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to our channel too. We're gonna be with him a lot because we live by him. And we're helping him just edit his channel and make his channel and all that stuff, verify, because he just started a couple days ago.
Actually, yesterday.
I'll go up like a kangaroo.
Yep, subscribe to Once a Panini.
Everybody go up there like a kangaroo with Step Devin. He's the camera guy.
No, we need a thing what should we do so...
How about you guys just verse each other?
Everybody, whoever goes up first.
Who's gonna hold the camera?
Oh, there's only
Let's just do rock, paper, scissors.
No, wait. Since I suck at going up hills, I can't even run up a hill. So? I think it should be you versus Jaylee.
I'll go up.
And then I'll just be the cameraman, and I'll name an animal that you guys got to do.
We're not competing, we're just singing.
Okay, so come down here, Ryan, and we'll name the animal. Okay, I'll go tell the viewers. You guys stay. Okay, so guys, I don't know what to do for the first animal. Subscribe to Once Panini TV and RBTV as well. The first animal will probably be, we're going to start off easy, and we're going to go with dog, guys. First animal is a dog. Yep. You got to go up the hill, and then I'll name an animal for down the hill. Hey, wait.
If you're
don't mind her.
I don't use the sled.
So.
And then the comments will rate you guys. So, wait, what's happening? Okay. So, Ryan first. I'm trying to not show her face, guys. Okay, Ryan, you go up first. Okay, dog. Why is this turning blue? It's like a piece of snow inside of it or something.
What the heck?
Let me see. I couldn't really see it that bad. Let me see.
It's like if I angle it.
Maybe it's just
reflecting the way I'm
angling
angling it.
Reflecting
Yeah,
off the
see?
ground. Okay,
It's the
don't
way I'm
mind
angling.
it if it's just changing colors. It's because when you face it up, it's reflecting off the
Whoa.
sky. When you do it, when it reflects off the ground,
See?
it's yeah.
That's actually kind of cool. When I push it to the ground, it's blue. When I go up,
because it's just reflecting off the ground.
I'm a smoke.
You're on a video. Okay.
Okay, Ryan first. Comments, rate him. He's a dog.
So a dog about I know how Copper runs, so I got him. Let me get my gloves on.
Okay.
So that was more of a bear.
It's out of 5, guys. Out of 5. So, comments, rate him out of 5.
That was more like a bear claw, so.
Okay. Okay, there's Ryan up there.
Get my gloves
Wait,
on.
you stay, because then you'll have a different animal coming down. So now it's Jaylee Panini's turn. I almost tripped, guys, on this fireplace.
So Copper kind of runs, he drags his feet and then goes up.
Copper's our dog if you don't know Once Panini.
He really takes his feet off the ground, so.
My mom.
Okay, guys, Jaylee Panini.
See these drags?
Comment down below, dog, and then put dog, Ryan, or dog, Jaylee. Okay, next animal coming down.
I want to be a penguin.
Okay, which means, wait. Okay, sorry if it's blue. You have to go on your stomachs down. Go. Rate him out of 5. He's a penguin. Moving it. Oh. Go, go, go.
He's getting a little scared.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh, look at the end.
So if you think he was good, comment down below, penguin, comma, Ryan. Jaylee's turn.
I'm scared.
I want to go down like a penguin one more time.
You don't have to run and jump. You can just go down.
Okay, so Ryan probably won. Oh, that hurt so bad.
Okay, he's gonna go down the sled real quick for the vid.
I am a penguin.
Okay, last one.
I don't know why that hurt so bad.
The last one is a crab. Up and down. Ryan, go.
Come on, we gotta do more than just 3.
Well, it's already at 10 minutes almost.
Huh?
It can go to like 50.
Okay. If you want it to take so long for
It's gonna be a
uploading.
really long video. We're just gonna do animal things. Okay, so.
Okay, crab, up and down. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Okay, come back down, come back down. That will count as making it to the...
Okay.
Okay, if you think that he did a good crab, comment down below, crab, comma, Ryan. Jaylee's turn. Jaylee Panini.
Oh my god, I'm already flipping.
Look at this girl. Okay, you made it, you made it. Okay, they both kind of failed going down and trying to make it to the top. But if you think she won, put crab, comma, Jaylee. Crab, comma, Ryan, crab, comma, Jaylee. Okay, you guys do rock, paper, scissors for who gets to pick the animal.
Didn't he get to pick penguin though?
Oh yeah, Jaylee goes.
We'll do that next. Okay, so I'll be the camera now. Let's just do a bear. It's pretty easy.
Okay, they're gonna do a bear.
Bear.
Wait, you're putting me into this challenge now.
Just do it.
Okay.
We're just gonna see how Devin does it real quick, and then me and Ryan will do it again.
How does a bear
Like,
Guys, I already won because look at my jacket. It's brown.
he's a grizzly.
Of course he's a grizzly, and I don't know what you are. Half crab.
A growler bear.
What is a growler bear? Comment down below. Hashtag growler bear.
Okay.
Just go. Just do it. Oh my.
That's more like a creepy, like, cannibal or something. I don't even know. Creature in the woods.
You turn the camera.
Comment down below creature in the woods. Because that's what it looked like. Okay, so.
Yeah, guys, it looks more like a wild
I don't want to put it no more.
Here, just wait. Let me get my gloves on.
Oh, those gloves, it's
It just
pink.
looks like a wild fat man, guys.
Yes, you do. You look like a total wild fat man.
That's pretty mean, Ryan.
Look at him.
Only I can make fat jokes about myself. I go die now.
Bye-bye.
Kidding, guys. I don't care if you make fat jokes, so comment down below fat jokes for me
Since
to use.
I'll go this
So we got
time.
Devin?
I'm gonna
And we got
I'm
Ryan.
gonna pick the
Comment down below what was his rating out of 5. So.
And
gotta
if you
go
think
like
I
a
won,
penguin.
put Devin.
Penguin.
I mean
No, you gotta do a bear.
Put bear, comma, Devin.
You've been making the sound effects. Okay, like, that's a human.
Guys, I won.
That's a human.
Slide down. Slide down.
Go down like a baby.
You'll crack your neck.
For the vid. Oh. Get up close. Up close. He's hurt. Medic. Medic. We need a medic, guys.
Okay.
Here. Have some medicine.
Oh, I shoot you.
Madness over here.
Okay. So, I picked this time.
Do you wanna?
No,
you.
I'm picking. Yeah. No, we do
Wait, Jaylee still gotta go up.
Alright, then let's go.
Bear crawl.
Bear claw. Bear claw. Did you say bear claw?
Yep. Slide down too. Guys, I won. Yeah. Okay. No, just slide down. Yeah. That's what we both did.
My coat is literally so smooth, so.
Look at that wetness.
Yeah, my jacket does that.
I'm really making
You say one more since it's getting dark?
a couple more.
We'll do two more. 11 minutes.
Okay.
2 more.
Rock, paper, scissors, who gets the
You
stick?
pick an animal. Or Jaylee gets to pick an animal.
I just picked, so it's just.
Oh.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
No, you guys will just take turns. So Jaylee, you'll pick the last one. He'll pick
Come on, let's just do rock, paper,
He
scissors.
picks human.
Human.
Hey,
folks.
the best human going up the hill.
Oh, by the way, comment who did the best one. Bear.
Okay. My turn.
So Devin.
Okay, he's gonna slide down. Medic!
Okay.
Guys, my turn to be a human. Now watch carefully and think in your head. Is this what a human would do?
I know what I'm doing. They're just gonna be slipping and crap.
Whoa! Guys,
Copy my
is
idea.
that what a human would do?
So he kind of copied my idea. I'm just gonna keep slipping, you know. But more at the top, so mine will be better. Did you fart?
No, I said time for snow in your face and I picked up a snowball.
Oh, okay. So,
Guys, just look at the gene damage. Okay, Jaylee's turn.
so Devin kind of copied my idea. I'm just gonna slip, but you know mine's gonna be better. If he slipped at the middle, I'm gonna slip at the top.
Guys,
I'm gonna
I made the better sound effect.
I
ASMR Devin.
want to slip at the beginning.
ASMR Devin Panini.
I want to slip at the beginning.
Vote Devin.
That was not part of the thing.
Vote Devin Panini.
I want to slip at the
Look at
beginning.
those shoes, guys. ASMR shoes.
Hey, get that off of hell. I said get it.
It's blurred out anyways.
Hey, I'm gonna fall.
It's blurred out anyways.
I'm gonna fall at the beginning.
So I think it's time for one more, guys. You wanna do kangaroo?
Kangaroo! Go!
We're doing a kangaroo.
Gotta do this fast. Go, go, go!
Go, Ryan, go.
Kangaroo, kangaroo! Oh, look at this
Now he's
dude.
spreading his arms out. The kangaroos do this.
Guys, I'm not a part of this one. Go, go, go! Kangaroo, kangaroo! Kangaroo! Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo! She's still going.
I'm gonna fall at the top. Let's go. Let's slide down to the video. Yeah, but kangaroo trouble.
Just tell them to subscribe to both of our channels.
Subscribe and want the panini?
Wait, Ryan, just slide down and say subscribe to RBTV. And then Jaylee, you say our channel. Okay, guys.